Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Rules. On today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can generate privacy policy for your website or your blog. But before we jump right into this video, if you're new to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you can get notified on every new video that I publish on this YouTube channel. And if you like this video I'm about to show you, don't forget to share this video with your friends and smash the like button. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Well, you already know what privacy policy is, and perhaps about to also contact us whenever you create a blog or a website, so we wouldn't have to go through the definition or explanation. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So now, as you can see, I'm on my browser here, which is Chrome to be precise. So I'm just going to open the site where we can actually generate our free privacy policy for website or our blog. So if you have just created your new blog or your website and you're searching on Google, Bing, or whatever search engine on how you can generate a privacy policy, or be it YouTube, don't worry no more, because I'll be showing you the exact same steps I use to generate my own free privacy policy for my website and my blogs. So let's get right into it. So as you can see, we're going to type www. Just a moment here, free privacy policy.com. We're just going to search here and see if this actually works for us, and if it doesn't, then we're going to use others. As you can see here, we've got it, free privacy policy template generator, CCPA GDPR. Just a moment. So now we're just going to click and open this. One good thing about this site is it's literally free, or basically free. You don't have to pay a penny to generate your free privacy policy. All you simply need to do is to input your URL or your website name, and then you fill up few details and it will be generated automatically for you, which you can just simply copy and paste to your website without you having to make any alteration or changes to this privacy policy. So now we're just going to click here. As you can see here, free privacy policy generator, comply with requirement from CCPA, GDPR, CALO, PPA, Google Analytics, and AdSense, and many others. So we're just going to click at the top right corner here, free privacy policy generator. But before we click right here, let's just see which other things that we can actually add to our site. Like as you can see here, free terms and conditions generator. We actually going to probably click or make a new video on this entirely, so I can walk you through step by step. So as you can see, free privacy policy generator, and then we go down. As you can see, there are a lot of things here for you to adjust. Free cookie consent, free cookies policy generator, free return and refund policy generator, free disclaimer generator, free EULA generator. So we're just going to click on the most popular free privacy policy generator. Our privacy policy generator includes many provisions and sections to help you disclose how you protect your customers' privacy while limiting your liability, and while adhering to the most notable privacy laws around the world and third-party requirements, including California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA, California Online Privacy Protection Act, California Generator Data Protection Regulation, GDPR. So now there's so many things here, so I wouldn't want to bore you with any of this, so let us just jump right into our video for today. So we're going to click at the top right corner here, free privacy policy generator. So hold on while it load. So as you can see, what will your privacy policy be used? Click all that apply. So privacy policy generator, let's select the platforms where your privacy policy will be used on. So I'm just going to click, and then we're going to go up here. As you can see, you can actually generate this for your app if you have your app on iOS or Google Play Store, or perhaps you've just designed your app and you're looking on how you can generate a privacy policy for your app. You can simply come to freeprivacypolicy.com and generate a privacy policy for your app and for your website. So now we're just going to click. Perhaps if you probably want to do for your app on your website, you can simply click on the both and click next. But for the sake of this tutorial, we'll be generating free privacy policy for our website. So we're just going to click here, and then we're going to click on next step. So what is your website URL? So we're just going to input our website URL here. Let's see, we're just going to follow the same pattern here. Just a moment. I'm just going to type https column www dot, let's see, we're just going to use codedbro.com, and then what is your website name? Codedbro. So we're just going to click, we're going to scroll down and see. As you can see here, this is my website name and what my website URL. So entity type, I'm an individual. You're just going to choose an individual here, because by the time you choose, prevention you choose a business account, you might be charged certain fee for some of the things, but I would advise you go for the an individual here, and then you're just going to select your country down here. This is accepted worldwide, so you don't have to pick another country. You can just go down and actually, or you can even search your country here. As you can see, I'm in Nigerian, so I've selected Nigeria here. So I'm going to click on next step. Yeah, what kind of personal information do you collect from users? Click all that apply. Email address, first name and last name, phone number, perhaps zip code, social media profile information, iPhone Connect, address, profile, zip code. So we're just going to let the others be. Now we're going to scroll down here and click on next step. How can users contact you for any question regarding your privacy policy? We're just going to click on email here, official email. Let's see, we're just going to type our email here. As you can see, we've typed our email here by visiting the website, by sending a post mail. So let's see, I think we've choose the right option, so we're just going to click on next step here. Choose a privacy policy generator. Choose our professional privacy policy. Instead of the free privacy policy, choose the professional privacy policy to include additional premium only provisions to be compliant with the law. So I think we're not going to go with any of this. Yes, I want to upgrade to the professional. No, I don't want professional privacy policy, because if you see pricing, the free privacy policy is free. For the professional privacy policy, you will pay only for what you need, one-time payment only, no recurring fees. So if you choose this premium or professional, you'll be charged for it. I don't really know how much. I've been using for a couple of years now. I've been using the free privacy policy. I haven't paid a penny, so I will indulge you also go for the no, I don't want a professional just a moment, a professional privacy policy. So now we're going to click on next step here. Your email address to receive the privacy policy. You receive the privacy policy to this email address. So let's see, we're just going to impute the same email here. Just a moment. So now all you simply need to do is to click on generate. But before we generate our privacy policy, let's see price for this privacy policy. As you can see here, $0 US, which is completely free. It's free, so you don't have to pay a penny to generate this privacy policy. So all we simply need to do after inputting all your details, you don't even need to sign up to this site to generate your privacy policy, so which makes it free and easier for a newbie to generate their privacy policy. So let us click on generate here, and let's see what they've got to offer us. To manage your agreements such as edit, update, please confirm your email address, send me the confirmation link. So as you can see, this is our privacy policy that has been generated. You can simply copy this. This is the HTML codes, which we might not actually need it, except you're an expert when it comes to HTML. So as you can see here, this is the preview of our privacy policy. Privacy policy last updated April 5th, 2022. So as you can see, when you go through, let's see if we're actually going to find our domain name here. So as you can see here, definition for the purposes of this privacy policy, account means a unique account created for you to access our services or part of our services. Company referred to as either the company, we, us, or Cookies are, so as you can see, agreement refers to Coded Pro here. So as you can see, this is my domain name or my URL. So our privacy policy has been generated. So all you simply need to do is to copy this. You can copy this, or perhaps you come to this place and copy it here. They are all the same thing. So you can see I've copied it. This comes with the HTML code. You can actually edit this, or perhaps once you confirm your email, your privacy policy will be sent directly to your email, where you can actually copy and paste to your website. So as you can see, this is Coded Pro here. That's to show my privacy policy has been generated. So that is it on today's video on how you can generate free privacy policy for your website or your blog. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly smash the like button, and thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. And before you go, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family if you like it. Bye.